Measuring and ordering is so easy that all you need is a tape measure and a few minutes. In order for the grease lock system to be properly installed, certain measurements of the hood need to be recorded so that the correct type and size mounting brackets can be provided. It is very important to follow proper safety procedures while measuring, installing, and maintaining the grease lock filters. To start, print out a blank hood measuring worksheet. You will use the first page of the worksheet to record the measurements that you take. The second page is used to provide illustrations and examples of what measurements need to be taken. Under the Hood Location heading on your spreadsheet, input a description of the location for the hood section you are measuring. Each line of the spreadsheet can be used to record a separate hood section. Under the aperture size of the baffling opening heading, indicate the measurements in inches of the area within the hood section that holds the metal baffle filters. Illustration AI 2008 reflects the area of the canopy for the H and W measurement that is needed for the actual opening that holds the metal baffle filters. Please note that all measurements can be rounded to the nearest inch increment. The Profile Style heading is where you input A, B, or C in the cell location to indicate what the profile of the hood intake area is. Illustrations AI 2010, AI 2088, and AI 2089 provide a guide to help you to determine the correct profile. On V-style hoods, simply input Y for yes or N for no. A V-style hood is not mounted to a wall but rather hung from the ceiling and would have two sets of baffles located on each side of the V. The clearance heading is where you mark the measurements of the surface area around the hood aperture opening that was measured under the aperture size heading. LH is the measurement of the left-hand side of the hood section, and RH is for the right-hand side. Under the top heading, indicate the measurement of the top side of the hood section, and under BOT, you will mark the measurements of the bottom side. Under the number of filters above each type of equipment, please indicate your estimated number of filters that will be installed. Note that each grease lock filter is 20 inches wide. Please complete the rest of the worksheet information as indicated in the instructions found on the Ellis Fibre website. Then input the information into the spreadsheet on your computer. Please note you can only input into the blue shaded areas. After all of the data is inputted and there are no alert messages in the alert box, save the file. Email the save file and any pictures of the hood area to the email address on the screen. On behalf of Ellis Fibre, we appreciate your time and look forward to our partnership in keeping costs lean, the environment green, and your exhaust system clean.